Yo, stop spending $7 at Starbucks every morning. That's straight up tripping. Check out this Ninja coffee maker. This thing is goated. Whether you want a quick K-cup pod or your favorite fresh grounds, it does it all. And look at this built-in frother. Your lattes are about to be cracked. It's got a massive 68-ounce reservoir, so you're never caught lacking, and it fits everything from a tiny cup to a 24-ounce travel mug. This is the ultimate W for your kitchen counter. Be your own barista. Click the link in my bio to cop this on Amazon right now. Follow Future Tech USA for more sick finds.